Yes, marketing is into augmenting needs. It refers to the marketing strategies customer realize they need more of a product. Enough to more. Instead of just getting a basic need a customer originally had. Like, I need the pen to write. But if someone is selling a pen by saying your pen will last for only 4 days, this is a new pen. It refills last for 8 days and it is more lightweight and easy to carry. You will definitely buy it, right? But there are some typical products like it. They won't not buy it for the pen. Marketing needs work to make the customer feel their current needs are insufficient or incomplete. The goal is to shift the customer's perspective from I need a single product to I need more. Sometimes marketing focus to make the product your need or what. For example, selling a comb to a बैट्समैन. अब टकले को कम की बेचना उसको तो उसका कुछ काम नहीं है पर मार्केटिंग उसको क्या बताएगा कि सुबह उठे अपने दिमाग के ऊपर 4 बार घुमाई दे सर के ऊपर बाहर आ जाएंगे उसको कुछ काम ही नहीं है उस प्रोडक्ट का फिर भी वो लेगा उसको क्योंकि उसको बेचा ही ऐसा है और वो गुड कस्टमर इम्पैक्ट नहीं बनाएगा. So there are some common approaches to marketing or augmenting in increasing in needs, cross-selling and bundling. It involves suggesting related products. For example, yesterday you buy a laptop, and marketing encourages you to realize the need of having a secure antivirus or wireless mouse or extended warranty. So you will definitely buy it, right? So the need went from new laptop for secure workstation, right? Second, upselling premium version. The better is the best. The strategy focus on making customer feel their basic needs too simple and the higher option tier is also available. For example, Netflix. If you are going to buy a regular or basic plan or subscription of Netflix, so they will introduce you marketing plans, benefits of premium family plan, 4K quality, no ads, and 4-time connections, anytime, anywhere. So you will buy it, right? So the need went from watching a TV show to most convenient, high quality, right? Third, highlighting unforeseen problems. Marketers identify potential future issues the customer hasn't थॉट आउट. तो मार्केटर्स को ये भी पता है फ्यूचर में हमें हमारे पास क्या प्रॉब्लम आएगी और जो हमको पता नहीं है तो उनका पता है हमारे पास फ्यूचर में क्या प्रॉब्लम आएगी. फॉर एग्जांपल अ बिजनेस ओनर बाइज अ इन्वेंटरी सॉफ्टवेयर. सो मार्केटर्स विल टेल देम दैट योर इन फ्यूचर what is your data loss or you need a backup for it. So they will tell you to buy a backup. The in increase from managing inventory to ensuring business continuity and data security. So why do marketers do this? The primary purpose is to insecure the value of each customer relationship, customer lifetime value, and drive more revenue from a single interaction. So there is also no point. For example, तुम्ही कितीही तुमचं डोकं फोडून जरी सांगितलं की हे प्रोडक्ट चांगलं आहे वगैरे मार्केटिंग मध्ये किती जरी सांगितलं तरी सुद्धा काही लोक असतात की ते लोक नको आम्हाला हे नकोच आहे काहीच गरज नाहीये काळ्या दगडावरची पांढरी रेष असं ते आहे. आणि लास्ट मला एवढंच बोलायचंय तुमच्या डोक्यात तुमच्या शेतात काय पिकतं त्यापेक्षा बाजारात काही विकतं हे ज्याला कळतं तो त्या बाजारपेठेत उभा राहतो.